So I'm here at my open house at 259 Middlesex Turnpike in Burlington. Beautiful house, almost 5,000 square feet, brand new, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, lots of detail, custom millwork. And this guy comes in. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to the open house.
Thank you. Some people call what I do an art because I am walking into a gallery per se and looking at all the beauty of the house and really trying to see and find how that space feels to me. I thought it was a lot busier of a street based off of this address, but I noticed it was pretty quiet.
This section used to be part of Middlesex Turnpike, but about 10 years ago, they rerouted the turnpike, so it is no longer on the turnpike. It's a side street now.
I felt very safe on my scooter going down the street.
Oh, good. This kitchen is fully applianced. It has a 36-inch gas range, custom tile insert, custom hood.
I bet you could put a lot of cookies in that oven.
Yeah, you definitely can. If you like to bake cookies, we also have an electric oven.
Hold on, I just got my signature flags I like to leave in places that I find things that I really like so that I can just check all these details out again.
You're just gonna put those flags.
Yeah. I have prior training in NFL referee school. I did a lot of work in throwing the flags, so it just felt right.
So in the family room, we have these stained wood beams. We have the fireplace wall with custom built-ins, cabinets, open shelving.
Do you know if these will fit a standard Frisbee?
I'm pretty sure you could fit Frisbees in there if you need to.
I have hundreds of them, so I'd like to store them in here if I could.
Absolutely.
When I see a living room, I always try to say, would I live in that room?
You look very relaxed.
I feel pretty relaxed. I mean, it's a nice, tall, open room.
I think this house fits you.
So far, it checks all the boxes. It's very big. It's deceiving.
Of course I'm picking all the flags up.
So there's a nice big refrigerator here.
Yes, the full-size refrigerator, tons of cabinets, built-in microwave, and there's actually a second refrigerator on this level.
That's a winner.
This is the dining area. This is nice because you have a nice open floor plan, kitchen, living room, dining room, all are together. Then the pantry is right on your right.
A full second fridge. Would these also fit a standard Frisbee?
Yeah, it depends on the size of your Frisbee. I don't get the Frisbee thing.
People always ask me about the Frisbees, but I will not elaborate.
In here, the upper cabinets match the kitchen cabinets, and then the lower cabinets match the kitchen island. So this is the mudroom. This has the same chevron pattern as you saw in the kitchen above the light box.
Yeah.
A lot of storage, and you also have hooks on this wall as well.
Are these strong? Like, would these hold my helmet?
Oh, definitely.
I believe you. I own between 64 and 3 helmets. Oh, I like that wall.
You like this wall?
And I'm noticing the green on this wall. Can you just kind of hold that there for a second?
You want me to hold that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is the office. We have a big ceiling design. We have an accent wall here and some built-ins with a bookcase. And this color also matches the kitchen cabinet color.
I could see myself writing my first novel in that office. I mean, it's pretty nice. I know big words. Lugubrious. I like the ceiling. X marks the spot.
So up on the second floor, we have 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a walk-in laundry room.
So this is the laundry room.
This is the laundry room. We have this cute little custom door.
It says laundry.
It does. That way you don't get lost. So in here, there's a ton of cabinetry. There's a trash cabinet, countertops.
Is this like a homework bench?
It could be. So in the main bedroom, we have a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub and water closet. Nice big walk-in shower.
I feel like a fish in there.
In the main bedroom, we have wood beams on the ceiling that match the wood beams in the family room.
When I walk into that bedroom, all I can think about is, wow, I would really love a bed.
We have a bar here with the built-in refrigerator.
Oh, that is pretty. Does this place got a basement?
It does, fully finished basement.
Oh, speaking my language. I've slept in basements, none that were finished.
Full 8-foot ceilings on this level. Full bathroom here.
I can't believe you have 5 different places to go to the bathroom in this house. I usually don't have a choice.
We have a wet bar with a sink and a fridge.
Ooh, yep, signature, I like it.
And then this room down here also has a fireplace.
This would be a good place to keep a lot of my scooters.
You could keep a lot of scooters down here.
Yeah. My favorite part of seeing a new open house is the artistry behind those walls from outside. What is in there, and does it match what I think is in there?
So when are you looking to buy a new house?
Oh, I'm not looking to buy a new house. Those flags are pretty cool. I get the same ones.